I thought this might interest you or some of you people about really Bard so far. Please note, I'm only just started testing it. So I just basically put in, prompted, give me directory backlinks for United Kingdom. Sure, here's some directory backlinks for United Kingdom. You see Yelp, all that sort of stuff. Now, I did, to be blunt, know all these sites, but it does show you that we can, if you like, use this to give us backlink IDs. I'm just going to do another one just to show you for United States. It should definitely work for United States, but let's just try it anyway. Just give me backlinks for United States. I just want to see if it works for other ones. I think it should. So you can see it does give me a wee bit of other ones such as Angie List, Home Advisor, Thumbdrack, all that sort of stuff. So it does do a bit of that. And it does in theory give you, if you like, a wee bit of tips as well, which is alright. So just see, I'm just curious if it works for Asia so far. Give me backlinks for India. I always spell citation wrong, that's the reason I never put citation, but I suspect it probably worked for both. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So India Mark, Times Jobs, Indeed, Monster Career Builder, kind of stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So it just shows you can do link building work with this sort of thing or get link building ideas. I'm wanting to see how good it turns before I do, if you like, more experiments into it, or more serious experiments, but it's pretty cool what you can do.